This trading bot is designed to dynamically identify and trade the single strongest cryptocurrency, paired with USD on Coinbase Pro at any given time. It achieves this by continuously monitoring price movements and market conditions, then buying the top-performing coin while selling off any previously held asset if the new leader shows significantly better performance. At the start, the bot securely connects to Coinbase Pro's API using an API key stored locally, ensuring safe and authenticated access to market data and order execution endpoints. It sets up important configuration parameters such as how long the bot should run, the cooldown period between buying the same asset again, and the granularity of market data candles, 1-minute intervals by default. It also defines thresholds for minimum trading volume, acceptable volatility, and RSI, relative strength index, bounds to filter for stable, liquid, and promising coins. To optimize efficiency, the bot caches recent market candle data with a time-based expiration, reducing redundant API calls. It regularly refreshes the list of valid USD trading pairs by filtering out those with low volume or disabled trading status. This filtering process also verifies that sufficient recent candle data is available for each coin to accurately measure short-term performance. The core of the strategy relies on several profitability filters. For each candidate coin, the bot calculates its recent growth rate over a rolling window, ensuring it meets a minimum growth threshold. It also measures price volatility to exclude coins with unstable price swings. RSI is computed to avoid coins that are likely overbought or oversold, focusing only on those within a healthy momentum range. Additionally, the average true range or ATR indicator is checked to confirm that price fluctuations are within acceptable bounds. Once the bot determines the strongest coin based on these criteria, it fetches the current portfolio balances to assess available USD and any existing crypto holdings. If the strongest coin differs from the currently held asset and surpasses it by a configurable margin, the bot triggers a switch. It sells the existing coin entirely and uses the freed USD to purchase the new top gainer, subject to cooldown restrictions to avoid rapid re-entries. To manage risk and lock in profits, the bot maintains a dynamic trailing stop that adjusts based on both a base percentage and recent volatility. If the price dips below this adaptive stop, it triggers a full exit from the position. Early exit triggers also include a price falling below a short-term moving average or showing negative price momentum over the last few minutes. Furthermore, when the price appreciates by 5% above the peak since purchase, the bot automatically sells half the position to realize partial gains while letting the remainder run. The bot tracks all trades with timestamps, prices, and amounts, building a detailed trade history. It also logs the portfolio's total USD value over time, including cash and the market value of held assets, enabling post-run analysis and visualization. If enabled, it displays a plot of portfolio value with buy and sell points clearly marked, aiding intuitive review of performance. The trading loop runs continuously until the configured runtime elapses or the user interrupts. On exit, the bot performs a final liquidation, selling any remaining crypto holdings to convert back into USD, minimizing overnight risk exposure. Throughout its operation, it respects API rate limits, manages concurrency when fetching data, and handles temporary errors gracefully with retries and logging. In summary, this bot implements a sophisticated momentum-based strategy that dynamically rotates capital into the strongest performing USD-paired cryptocurrencies on Coinbase Pro. It combines multiple technical indicators and adaptive risk controls to enhance trade timing. while systematically managing cooldowns and partial profit taking. This approach balances aggressive pursuit of gains with disciplined risk management for robust performance in volatile crypto markets. You can download the script we just talked about by going to the GitHub page. Just check the link in the description. You'll find the latest version of the code, setup instructions, and everything you need to get started. And if you're signing up for Coinbase, be sure to use the referral link in the description or at the top of the script to support the project.